Okay, so before we delve into today's discussion, let's introduce our panel of experts. So, to start off with me, I'm Joy, and I've been navigating the world of accounting, assurance, and advisory for over 15 years now. My specialty is making finance and operations work together seamlessly, especially in the dynamic world of professional and business services industry, which includes marketing organizations. So I started my journey at Ernst& Young Philippines, where I learned the ropes of accounting and finance. Now at Scrub, I'm passionate about helping businesses like yours streamline their finances and achieve their goals. So next up, we have Charm.
Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. I'm Charm, and I have nearly a decade of experience in corporate finance. I specialize in financial planning and analysis, financial due diligence, and business modeling across various industries. Before joining Scrub, I honed my skills at PwC Philippines, where I was involved in a range of deals and corporate finance projects. At Scrub, I helped pioneer the corporate finance team and have been developing numerous financial models for businesses, supporting financial operations, capital raising, IPO, and even restructuring. I'm a certified public accountant and a certified financial modeling and valuation analyst.
Thanks, Charm. So now it's your turn, Lorraine.
Good morning. I'm Lorraine, seasoned tax professional with over 11 years of experience in US, Canadian, UK, and Philippine tax. I specialize in tax return preparation, audit support, and navigating complex tax regulation. I ensure tax compliance and optimize strategies. My expertise and commitment to excellence make me a trusted advisor in indirect taxation. Back to you, Joy.
Okay, thanks, Lorraine and Charm. Now that we've met our speakers, let's delve into today's discussion. So, we have three service groups to share our experiences with helping our marketing agencies and the solutions that we've introduced to address their needs. But let me start off by introducing Scrub. I'm sure you're curious, who is Scrub? So, we are an outsourced professional service firm providing a comprehensive suite of services from accounting and tax to financial analysis. With our technology and commitment to quality, we help our clients streamline their operations, reduce costs so they can focus on what matters most, growing their business. So why Scrub? So access to top talent. So our network of skilled professionals, so they're mostly CPAs in the Philippines, ready to tackle complex accounting challenges. So we have ready access to experienced professionals that fit our clients' requirements. Enhanced service quality. So we have established policies, procedures, and processes to ensure the security and quality of our deliverables. Core business focus. So we handle the accounting and other finance related workloads so our clients can concentrate on what they do best. Then solve capacity issues and scalability. So we can help alleviate capacity constraints, reducing our clients' overhead and space requirements. We can adapt to changing needs whether our clients are expanding or downsizing. Technology-driven solutions. So we carefully select cloud-based software that aligns with our model and efficiently streamline our clients' processes. And then lastly, of course, cost effectiveness. Our outsourced professional services model significantly reduces the cost of accounting and financial functions while still delivering client services that are at par with that of the big four. So here now, allow me to share the common pain points and challenges that our clients often face and how we at Scrub provided solutions. So let's explore three key areas. So we have revenue recognition and project management, expense management and budgeting, and financial reporting and analysis. So the first one, revenue recognition and project management. So our clients often struggle with complex revenue streams, milestone-based challenges, or the intricacies of subscription revenue. Sometimes there's also inaccurate time tracking and difficulties in measuring project profitability. So our solution offers streamlining the whole revenue recognition process Our process and solutions ensure compliance with accounting standards like ASC 606, making it easier to manage complex revenue streams and milestones. So for the second one, we have expense management and budgeting. So expense tracking can be time-consuming and error-prone task for marketing organizations. To add there, we also have reimbursable expense management, those that you charge back to your clients, and unpredictable cost fluctuations can also further complicate matters. So Scrub, we address these challenges by providing a streamlined expense management solution. One of our solutions leverages key features of our client's accounting system to automate the reimbursable expenses process by assigning project codes. Through this, we can also offer insights into cost fluctuations. So this helps maintain accurate expense tagging and strengthen internal controls. And then the third one, financial reporting and analysis. So data accuracy issues, difficulties in identifying KPIs, and changes in financial analysis can hinder marketing organizations' decision-making capabilities. So we at Scrub, we deliver actionable insights through our accurate financial reporting and analysis. So our solutions ensure data integrity, supporting your KPIs, provide comprehensive financial analysis. We prepare management reports tailored to your needs. We can customize that according to your needs and reporting requirements with financial narratives and dashboards. So this helps empower our clients to make informed decisions and optimize their marketing strategies. Okay, so just specific to financial accounting services, so from general ledger maintenance to financial reporting, and even supporting the need to accounting software and technology, we support our clients. So let's have a rundown. So general ledger maintenance, so we keep books in top shape, ensuring accuracy and audit readiness. Order to cash, from sales orders to collections and managing your accounts receivable or AR. Then purchase to pay, so streamlining vendor transactions with our process. So this is accounts payable or AP. And then payroll. So we also manage payroll from setup to regular runs, but usually on payroll recording in the books. And then revenue recognition, as I mentioned earlier, accurate revenue tracking and recording that is compliant with GAAP standards. And then bank reconciliation. Of course, this one, seamlessly reconciling bank accounts with books. Then financial reporting. So we offer not just the financial information, but also insights with our tailored management reports. And then lastly, of course, the systems implementation. We can help set it up for you, enhance, or migrate. Now, let me share a case study. So this is one of our clients, a leading agency specializing in web development and maintenance. So they needed a partner to manage their complex revenue recognition. So we implemented a tailored solution that aligned their revenue recognition with the specific terms of their client contracts. So by carefully analyzing their two primary service types, not sure if you can really relate with this, so they have web development and web maintenance. So we established a clear framework to accurately track and report revenue. Our approach ensured compliance with ASC 606 standards while providing valuable insights into their financial performance. So this allowed the agency to make informed business decisions and maintain strong financial health. Now, moving on to another core service we provide in Scrub, let's have Charm. Go ahead,
Thanks,
Charm.
Joy. Now moving to the common pain points of marketing agencies that can be addressed under corporate finance. As we know, financial stability is crucial for marketing agencies. We are often plagued with significant challenges that can impact the bottom line. First, the industry is facing a constant battle with unpredictable revenue streams. This volatility makes it difficult to accurately forecast revenue and manage cash flow. Next, the project-based nature also introduces additional complexities. Each project has its own unique timeline, budget, and resource requirements, making it challenging to maintain a steady flow of revenue and profitability. Third, to stay competitive, agencies also need to invest in top talent and technology. However, this investment can strain resources and it requires careful financial planning. Lastly, in today's data-driven world, marketing agencies must leverage on data analytics to harness the power of data to optimize operations and make data-driven decisions. Now let's check out Scrub's corporate finance and advisory services that could help address these challenges. So our corporate finance experts offer a variety of services to assist you in making strategic decisions, including financial planning and analysis, data and analytics, and mergers and acquisition. We have extensive experience in supporting businesses such as startup companies from formation to deal completion. Now, here are some value propositions you can get by partnering with Scrub. With our financial planning and analysis support services, you can leverage our expertise in financial modeling to gain actionable insights into your financial performance for strategic planning. We can also help you optimize your financial operations through our FP&A support services by analyzing key financial metrics, identifying inefficiencies, and implementing strategies to enhance profitability while maximizing revenue and minimizing costs. Next, we have our data and analytics team. Our team can empower top management to make faster and data-driven decisions by leveraging on existing data to uncover valuable insights that can drive smarter decisions. And to make things easier, we'll create custom dashboards and automated reports to streamline analysis. And with our team's expertise in data analysis, you'll be equipped with insights you need to stay ahead of the curve. Third, we have mergers and acquisition. So our team offer a comprehensive support to help businesses achieve growth through inorganic means. By providing a robust understanding of business valuation, we empower our clients to negotiate favorable terms with their potential investors and partners, ultimately securing the best possible outcomes from those M&A transactions. So basically, we offer tailored solutions to meet your specific needs by leveraging our deep understanding of various industries, including marketing agencies. Now, here are a sample of how we are helping a business. So the team was asked by the client to help them manage their cash flow and improve their financial operations. And we offered to provide financial modeling and recurring FP&A support services. So we started by conducting a thorough analysis of the client's historical performance over the past 2 years to identify revenue and cost drivers. So by analyzing sales performance, we examined the customer acquisition cost, the average number of projects won by each sales agent, the lead time to close a project, the time required to deliver the contracted value, the conversion rate from web development to web maintenance, and the retention rate of web maintenance clients. So aside from those factors, we also evaluated the resource utilization and allocation by assessing the hours spent on each project for us to forecast the future resource needs of the client and to effectively support their growth plans. Based on our understanding, we were able to develop a detailed three-statement financial model in Fathom instead of using the traditional Microsoft Excel. And as part of our recurring FP&A support services, we continue to refine the forecast assumptions to improve the accuracy of the tool. We also prepare monthly variance analysis reports comparing actuals versus forecast and comparing current versus prior period performance. Aside from those, we continue to analyze the project level profitability for this client. Now moving on, here are some benefits from the services we provided. First, we have enhanced financial visibility. So the well-structured financial model that we created provides a comprehensive view of the financial health of the business. Second, we have proactive cash flow management. So we alert management to any potential cash flow issues by monitoring the cash runway to ensure timely interventions and to continue the operation of the business. Third, we have data-driven decision-making. So the variance analysis and project-level profitability analysis that we perform can help identify areas for improvements to maximize the margins. And lastly, we have scalability and efficiency. So our services can easily adjust to the business changing needs. By outsourcing the financial task to us, you as business owner or our client can concentrate on other critical aspects of running the business. So overall, by partnering with Scrub Corporate Finance, you can unlock your agency's full potential. Our tailored solutions from strategic planning to financial due diligence will empower your team to achieve financial excellence and drive sustainable growth. Now let's hear from Lorraine on how Scrub Tax Services can help your business.
Thanks, Charm. As a marketing agent, you thrive on creativity and innovation. But when it comes to taxes, things can get complicated. Now let's talk about some common tax challenges that marketing agencies face. First is nexus. When we say nexus, it's the connection between the taxing jurisdiction and the business. Operating in multiple jurisdictions, remote work becoming the norm, and the digital nature of many marketing services can make determining your tax nexus a real challenge. Knowing your business nexus helps fulfill your legal obligations. Next is tax credits and deductions. Determining eligibility for the deduction to claim research and development credits for your innovative techniques. Knowing what you qualify for can be daunting. Business expenses. This can be entertainment expenses, travel expenses including meals, lodging, and transportation that needs to be properly documented to ensure deductibility. And lastly, employee versus contractor. The distinction between the employee and contractor is crucial. Misclassifying employees as contractors can lead to significant penalties. So we at Scrub can help you stay informed and guide you when you need it. The Scrub Tax Compliance and Advisory Services team stands as your trusted partner with years of experience guiding clients through the complexities of multiple busy seasons. Our team is equipped to support you through every step of the process. Whether you're filing business or individual, federal, and state tax return, we provide comprehensive solutions tailored to meet your needs. Our team ensures that your returns are accurate, timely, and optimized for your unique situations. We specialize in federal, state, and local compliance, including sales and use tax, franchise tax, excise tax, property tax, annual reports, business registrations, and other essential information returns. Our expertise help you navigate these obligations with confidence, ensuring full compliance with the latest regulations. Our tax planning and advisory services are designed to strategically position your business for success, from nexus studies, tax provisioning, to tax restructuring, and legal entity formation advisory. We offer the insights and strategies to optimize your tax position and support your long-term growth. At Scrub, we are more than just preparers. We are your partners in navigating the complexities of the tax world, providing the expertise and guidance you need to thrive. So to better understand what we offer, let me share you an example of how we are able to assist one of our clients. So it's also a premium design agency known for using cutting-edge technology to elevate brands through innovative web channels. So Scrub Tax team played a key role in maintaining the agency's financial health by analyzing income, deductions, and credits to optimize tax positions and ensure IRS compliance. Collaborating with partners to ensure accurate tax allocation and efficiency, managing state filings. We also help in recognizing the agency's research and development investment. So we identify their eligibility for the R&D credit and help maximize these tax benefit through documentation and thorough calculations. So Scrub Tax team extended its services also to their partners by filing their individual tax return, handling both federal and state filings with ease. So beyond compliance, we also provided strategic tax planning, advising on growth strategies, and identifying tax-saving opportunities to secure the agency's financial future. So that's it for taxing. Turning over to Joy.
Thanks, Lorraine and Charm. So I hope you find those insights and sharing helpful, not too overwhelming. But let's discuss now how to put this knowledge into action. Feel free to let us know now if you have questions.
Joy, are you guys going to talk through sort of like as part of sort of this next vignette, how you set up the partnership? Because it's incredibly comprehensive, very meticulous, and probably involves just a lot of tight back and forth. So I'd be curious from a case study perspective, like how best to set up that partnership so the agencies can really realize all the benefits of this outsourced model. And maybe also like what doesn't work.
Yeah, so as I understand, you're asking like how to start the partnership with us, right? So of course, you can connect us after this webinar. So we'll engage into a discovery call. So we'd like to first know your challenges. Like we really want to know your business, get to know your challenges. And then once we get your requirements, we'll map them to how we envision our solution to your companies. Like we offer, it depends on your needs. Like it could be really in the accounting or an FTE in corporate finance, helping you in the budgeting, and then also an advisory in tax. So we'll assess that through the discovery call. And then after mapping your requirements to our solutions, we can get into another call to discuss our proposal. So when we start the engagement, like when you decide to really engage us, to partner with us, we start, of course, with our setup and onboarding process where we understand the current state of your business or your financial department's status. So we understand the current state, and then first we will see if we can really just first take over what's the current process, and then we can introduce improvements later on. Like we can introduce improvement to the existing processes, or we can recommend other solutions like maximizing the use of your existing software or adapt a more upgraded system. So that's like for later after the setup and onboarding.
At Scrub, we can come in depending on the level of assistance that you needed. So if you need extensive support, we can come in as an FTE and a monthly retainer. Or if you have an existing finance team, we can come in as a additional support on an on-demand basis. So it really depends on what level of need you have from us.
That's really helpful. And what does communication on a regular basis look like? Are you doing, bi-weekly calls with the key financial staff at the agency? Obviously, it'll depend a little bit on the scope, but if you can talk about, there's a key account person on Scrub side that liaises with everyone, just paint a picture for everyone of what the model looks like.
We had that set up at the start of our engagement. So we have like a communication protocol. So we usually have a team email that we use that we can that you can connect with us with the whole team. So not just, for example, the assigned FTE to your company. And then we can set up the regular cadence of how we meet. So at the start, during the setup and onboarding, usually it's on a weekly basis just to really ensure that we're on track on the start of the engagement. But once we get into a routine already, we established already the process between us. That could be like monthly or quarterly reporting between us or meeting between us. So we can dedicate a person, like we can have a single point of contact. So usually for our clients, we have someone that is liaising to the client. But we also have that team email. So when you send an email, an inquiry, or a document to us, everyone in the team can have access to it.
That sounds great. We have a question that's come in from one of our star CFOs. Are there standard software programs that you guys work with, or do you work within whatever software an agency has already set up?
So the sample case study that we showed a while ago, actually for that particular client, they're using an existing software for their internal reports. So they're using Fathom. So usually we use Microsoft Excel to build our financial model. But for that particular client, since they want to leverage on the available software that they have, so we use the available software that they have and build the financial model in that. So for other services that requires other software, so it varies. So we have like experts in various in our team. Like for example, if you want to use Python or other data analytics tool, we have various experts in our team, so you can leverage on that.
Some of the software that Charm mentioned, that's for like corporate finance. For accounting, we have our clients usually use Xero or QuickBooks Online. So, but it really depends. We can really adapt the software that you're already using. So, Scrub people are really tech savvy, so we can really learn the software that you're using.
That's great. Sounds really adaptable. Any guys feel free to chime in if you have questions. Also, you can chat them in if you prefer to do that. We want to make sure you get all your questions answered when we have this panel of experts with us.
We have a question from a chat box. How do you ensure that reimbursable expenses are accurately tracked?
Yeah, so for that, we use project codes to tag the expenses to a particular project. So for some of our clients, like we use the key feature of the accounting system. So we have that in Xero as well as in QuickBooks. And then we also track that using a particular expense account under the cost of services. So this is separate from the operating expense that will be netted against the accounts receivable of the clients. So it will not be mixed with the normal expense accounts.
Joy, Charm, Lorraine, anything else you want to share with us as part of the session?
Yeah, I did just want to chime in. This is Bryce. Hey, everybody. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You guys again. I'm actually out east of Nashville this week, but it was good to see you guys on the screen. Hopefully, we were able to convey all capabilities that we provide here at Scrubbed. Unfortunately, I'm not able to make your next event, although I would have loved to be there. I don't think it's in the cards this year. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. As Joy talked about, our discovery calls happen through my team on the biz dev team. So we're here to help. We like to take a kind of consultative approach, engage with you guys, find out kind of where your needs, gaps, opportunities are. And then my team can go back and work with Joy and Charm and Lorraine and the many other teams that we actually have at Scrub to help build out a customized solution for you guys and provide the exact solution that you guys are needing to meet your needs. And those are fully customizable. One thing that I'll brag on our team about that we don't get to brag about on is we have 1,300 accountants across about 14 different teams specializing in different areas. And so if you guys have a very nuanced issue, please don't hesitate. If I can't figure it out today, I definitely can figure it out tomorrow. A solution for you guys and provide, a really quality service that you guys might be looking for. So our team is great here. I'm grateful to have them be here, even though it's 11:30 p.m. their time. They're willing to jump on. So our team they go above and beyond to make sure that our clients are well taken care of and are completely satisfied with their needs. So thanks for having us. And Melissa, it's always great to see you guys. you have any questions, don't
Right.
hesitate to reach out.
We actually have, if you guys have a couple more minutes, we have a couple questions that just came in. Can you explain, at a high level, the pricing and engagement model of how you guys partner with agencies? And then how do you keep up to date with all of the changing knowledge around state, local tax codes, labor laws, etc.? Because it's quite daunting, as you guys know.
So for our pricing engagement model, it really depends. We really need to get to that discovery call that Bryce mentioned to have a proposal for you. But for our pricing, it depends. So we have the fixed fee rate for shared services. We can also have a FTE engagement. So that's one FTE assigned to you, dedicated. We can also have project-based. So it depends, like if you want us to build a financial model for you, so that would be also like a separate model. Then how do we keep up to date to our knowledge? We have a lot of trainings in Scrub, so that's part of our required training to keep up with the latest standards. So it's also needed for us to be up to date with our license for the CPA. So we have that for the different service lines. So we have for accounting, we have for tax, we have also for corporation.
Just to add for tax, so we also engage in different subscription that offers tax services. Like for example, CCH, it has a newsletter every day that keeps us updated of different state laws, changes, updates, even international regulations. And then we apply those changes or updates to our clients' specific situations, making necessary adjustment to their tax filings or strategies. And we ensure that we remain compliant no matter where they operate, whether in US or Canada or UK or other international locations.
Great, thanks, Lorraine. Any other questions, friends? We will be sharing the recording. I know there were several folks that were unable to join us at this time, so we'll be sharing that shortly. And to Bryce's point, if you guys have curiosities or you have questions, feel free to reach out to myself or MK or Bryce directly, and we will put you in touch with the right contacts on Scrub side to explore the possibilities further. Thank you so much to the team at Scrubbed. I don't know if you guys saw in the comments, but thank you for staying up late for us. We really, really appreciate it. A really outstanding, comprehensive overview, and we really appreciate all of the great intel and your partnership.